wishing you can take it to the day that you two will be seeing. The sound was so relevant, but we was like Stevie wondering what went wrong. This another sad song like Toni Braxton. She's asking, what could we do but breathe? I take 2 steps, I'm like, you know it's on with the pushing and the shoving, with the signs of hard time. The baby's in the oven, maybe that's a sign for us to stay together through whatever. But I like the rainy days, it ain't about the weather. The emotion so strong, but we all numb to it. If life was a track, we probably run right through it. The long stride we ride, we run it out of time. If you don't slow down, then you're gonna miss the signs, yeah.
The signs are everywhere, emotions you don't share, but you don't have to tell me nothing, I know it's real clear. The signs are everywhere, emotions you don't share, but you don't have to tell me nothing, I know it's real clear.
Signs are everywhere, some crystal clear, others are subtle. Both are pieces of the puzzle, so we have to be aware. Otherwise, this disguised form could lead to some harm. We kiss and keep warm, but something's not right. This is evident, cause every night that we fight proves we can't communicate symbolically. But optimistically speaking, sugar, how can we see the love signs through these rough times? Hanging up phones, conversations with the leave me alone. Time out for the immature and then for the grown. Let me put it in perspective to see where we went wrong. Was he said she liked the sentimental signs, and it was obvious she wasn't reading minds. Plus I can't read minds, I'm illiterate, so baby speak up, please consider it. I'd hate to break up over the wrong signs.
The signs are everywhere, emotions you don't share, but you don't have to tell me nothing, I know it's real clear. The signs are everywhere, emotions you don't share, but you don't have to tell me nothing, I know it's real clear. You don't have to say a word, the signs have spoken, I have heard, it all makes sense, and I'm convinced we can make it. You don't have to say a word, the signs have spoken, I have heard, it all makes sense, and I'm convinced we will make it.
So when it's all said, double check what you've read. A lot of times, the mixed signs are all in our heads, so be careful how we perceive and how we misread. I'd rather be at ease than to argue instead, and I believe that we have to commit to understanding what the other presents. Nevertheless, time to put this to rest. Take my hand, here's another sign for you to digest.
The signs of laughter, the signs of pain, the signs of losses and the signs of gain, the signs that we make as we connect, the signs in your eyes with no regrets. Times has changed, now the signs are clear. You're all alone with no one near. It was all a game, the thing got real, so the signs of you